Yeah, you got it. Yeah, backwards. Steady, steady. Yeah, yeah, steady, steady. Pedal in the water. Keep a brace stroke in there. You'll be sweet. Yeah. No, not too bad, man. Still pretty bony. Halfway down, you've got to start heading right. Yeah. It's almost never good there, but it's, you know, too hard. At the top, you get thrown around a bit, eh?
Yeah.
Good fun.
Not too bad.
Yeah. Well, it's still low, man.
Yeah.
Still nothing. You might
run the waterfall up there.
Nah.
Just give it a go. Just being good for it. Definitely get it.
You reckon?
I've done it before. Water less than this.
Listen, geez, I'd say like a metre is what you need for it, but nah, in 11 years I've never done it.
Check it out.
I will, yeah, I'm gonna go up there and have a good video of it, but I'm not gonna shoot it. Yeah, man, cheers. Just you? Nobody else? Sweet as, I'll see you in a bit. Shot the waterfall. Jeez.